Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. My name is Heather, and I bet you wondering where I have been for the past couple months. I too have been wondering. Actually, I feel like the last couple months have just gone by so slowly but so fast at the same time. So about 3 months ago, no, 2 months ago, only 2 months ago, a couple months ago, they found a tumor on my thyroid, and pretty much it was just a kind of a race from there to go ahead and get that out because it was causing a whole bunch of symptoms. So out my thyroid came on May 7th. It was a really easy surgery. Recovery has not been easy. I just now got my voice back. I'm just grateful that I'm healthy and that recovery has been going really well. I am still struggling a little bit with energy, and my parathyroid is not quite woken up yet, but that's beside the point. I just wanted to come on here and say thank you for your continued support. I'm gonna be back into the saddle very soon, doing videos again for you. But today, I didn't just come on here to tell you how I was doing. Today, I have a treat for you. I have two very lovely ladies who you've seen on this channel before. They are here together doing a wonderful recipe for you. So I hope you'll stay tuned, but I wanted to give you a quick update first. So without further ado, let me reintroduce you to two of some of my favorite people. You ready? Let's go. And first up, Bethy! Hey you guys remember Bethy? She came to us one day 3 years ago.
Just a random day.
Cake pops.
That is
turned into
cake bombs.
Wah, wah, wah. Because we did a tester a second ago when it was still warm, and it went, whoop, we ate it.
Well, I ate it, and I said that's a lot of chocolate.
Death by chocolate. And they were the bomb, and they bombed,
They were good.
but they were really good.
Yes.
But she ended up going to Guatemala, and she had a wonderful time thanks to some of your donations, and we had a great time doing those cake bombs. And then, back by popular demand,
What?
Jurni!
Hello.
We saw Jurni just a couple months ago when we did conchas. Since I got chocolate all over it. And
Okay.
yes, we did that Mexican sweetbread. It was so much fun. We had a lot of fun. So we decided that these ladies were going to come back today and do something super exciting. They are going to adventure through a brand new recipe. Neither of them have seen the recipe. They know what they're doing, but they've never made it. And we're going to walk them through. We're going to walk them through the process of what they do when they see a recipe for the first time and how they go about just completing it. So are you guys ready for this adventure? What are we going to do?
We're making tikka masala.
And why are we making tikka masala?
Because, one, it's my mom's favorite recipe. And as for you, it's
One of our family's
Family's, yes.
favorite.
In fact, this
Family
is
favorite.
her mom's
Family
recipe.
favorite.
And while they look at the recipe for the first time, I'm going to let them tell you what you're going to need.
Ingredients for the chicken marinade is 5 to 6 chicken thighs, skin and bones removed, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of coriander, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1/3 cup of yogurt, pinch of salt, 2 garlic cloves, 1 knob of ginger grated, juice of 1 small lemon, 1 tablespoon of olive oil.
ingredients for this sauce. My bad.
Maybe just say it normal.
Ingredients for the sauce. 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, 1 large onion, diced. Optional, you can do 1 green chili, also diced, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, pinch of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 stick of cinnamon, toasted and ground, or 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon if you do not have the stick. 2 bay leaves, 3 garlic cloves, grated, 1 knob of ginger, grated, or 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 2.5 to 3 cups of canned tomatoes, 2.5 to 3 cups of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of coconut cream or heavy cream. Another option is to add a teaspoon of sugar or honey and sea salt to taste. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna cut up the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Bite-sized pieces.
All right, so we are going to add the yogurt. It's so slippery. I can't.
Wait, let me
She's got slippery hands.
let me try.
Not going crazy with chicken guys.
There we go.
Okay, I got my fingers a little bit in there, but I didn't touch the chicken with this hand.
All right, next we are gonna add our cumin.
Yes.
Were we supposed to add all of it? Were we supposed to add all of it?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
1 teaspoon of turmeric. Nope.
Perfect.
And the chili powder.
Still working as magic.
Mix.
Okay, now we're gonna add the garlic. So we have our little grater thing here and just push down.
Wow, that was satisfying.
It was, yes. Here I have the ginger, which is just been minced up into a paste. Plop.
And we have the lemon juice. All of it?
Yeah,
all of it. All right, we have 4 teaspoons of freshly minced coriander. I have washed my hands, so now I'm going to pinch 2 pinches of salt. So that's 1.
Yep.
And
And
2. We're going to add the oil.
Specifically, olive oil. And now we just add the mix first and then add the chicken?
Yes.
Okay. All right, you do the mixing.
We're going to put the chicken in. Delicious. Awesome sauce.
All right, so you got it
I
thoroughly mixed in there now?
Yes.
All right, now we're gonna stick it in our vacuum seal bag. Does it smell good?
It smells really good.
Yeah, it does.
Wow. Okay.
So if you don't have a vacuum seal machine, you're just gonna want to marinate this overnight or at least 2 hours. But since we're gonna use the vacuum sealer, this is gonna be done in a jiffy.
Okay.
So we're going to put the bag right inside the channel, and we're gonna make sure that it's not wrinkled. We're gonna shut the machine, and then depending on which machine you have, this machine is a push to seal. So we're gonna push down here, and then we're also going to push on both these sides. And then you're gonna watch it.
Oh.
So we'll watch it vacuum seal out. Done.
That was fast.
So that eliminated hours of marinating time. That's it. That's all we're gonna do. So we're gonna give this like about 20 minutes of marinating time, and while we sanitize everything so that we can do the next step.
Yes.
So here we have our white rice.
Yes.
We're gonna do 4 cups.
4 cups.
4 cups, because there are a lot of people eating.
Yes.
So, and we have our Instapot. Does that look like about 4 too?
Yes.
Okay. Cool.
Cool beans.
Cool beans. Dump it right in there.
4 cups.
4 cups of water, and then just a little bit more. We do. How many pinches should we do? Just a little. As much as my heart desires, apparently. It's like 2 pinches? What do you think? Maybe 3? Yeah? Okay, 3 pinches it is. Okay, and then twist it in, yes?
Yes.
Yep.
And
Okay.
we're gonna press rice.
So we got the rice button here, and just start. Awesome. Everybody is coming through fighting.
Wow.
Oh, sorry.
I don't know.
So next we're gonna start on the sauce. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So we're gonna cut up our onions, and you have the pepper.
A pepper.
Yes. I cannot be trusted with peppers because the other day I was chopping up jalapenos for dinner, and I wasn't wearing any gloves or anything, and so it got like into like my fingernails and stuff, and so I was burning for 2 days.
Oh my.
My fingertips
word.
were burning so bad. It hurt so bad. It's okay though.
Well,
But now I'm gonna cry in a few minutes because of these onions. So I'm not looking forward to that either.
yes.
We're gonna power through. So now we're gonna cook our chicken. We put a little bit of oil into our pot here. Do you want me to put the chicken in there and then you stir it around? Okay.
I think that's good. So
That's
because
good? Okay.
we want it to fry and not steam.
Yeah.
And do we want to cook it all the way?
No, we just want it to brown.
Brown on both sides.
Brown on both sides.
Yes. It does smell really good.
Oh.
I wasn't ready for that. Okay, I'm getting all of the seasonings currently for the sauce while the chicken is finishing up.
Oil. Adding our oil and our onions.
Onions. Stir it in a little bit. This way.
So we're gonna add the chili, and we're gonna cook these.
Do we add
for a...
the whole thing, or are we gonna?
We're
Yes.
gonna press.
Okay, that's what I thought. I'm gonna press them.
But I would add the garlic. The ginger can go in, but I would add the garlic in about, I don't know, a few more minutes to let this really start to caramelize.
What do you think? Almost there?
Yeah, I think. What do you think?
Looks good.
So we add our
Yep.
garlic.
All right.
Do you take garlic?
Yeah, go ahead.
You can keep on stirring. Oh, there's a garlic. Look at
Yeah, there was already one in there. It was prepared.
We're gonna add our spices. We're gonna add chili powder. Wow. We're gonna add our coriander. And then this is our cinnamon. We're gonna add our cinnamon. Beautiful. Our garam masala. Our
That's how I said it.
cumin. And a couple pinches of turmeric.
It's like,
Yes, the bay leaves.
just throw them in there. Okay.
We're gonna add the broth. All of the broth.
All of the broth.
Okay.
Cream. Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
There we go. Okay, Sorry.
It's okay.
Try not to make that splash.
And you want to scrape the bottom for all the deliciousness. You're going to deglaze it. That's basically what we're doing.
Sorry.
It's okay. And the salt.
Salt.
We're adding half a teaspoon. Now we're adding honey because it's going to cut through the acidity of the tomato.
Thank you, magical hand.
Disappear. Cheers.
We've let it simmer down for a little bit now, and so we're gonna put it into our blender.
You don't want to blend the bay leaves, so if you see it, take it out.
Now you can twist the dial to make it
I'm so scared of blenders.
thick that sauce is now.
I know.
The tomato. Do the other half. Okay, now that everything is blended, we're gonna add everything back into this pot, including the chicken.
Delicious.
Okay, so we finished adding the chicken, and now we're just gonna let it simmer and sit there for about 15 minutes or until the sauce has thickened.
Yes, and you will notice that it is thickened because the line that it has here, it'll go down.
Decrease, yes.
It'll decrease.
Okay, so we're back now, and it's been about 15 minutes later. You can see how much the sauce has reduced. So now we're gonna taste test it and then see how thick it is as well.
Alright, see how you see if it is thick is if you go like this and it doesn't, and it stays separated. It stays separated. Alright.
That is so good.
It's really good.
Plate it up.
So now we're gonna plate it up.
So we got our bowl of rice here,
Rice.
and we're gonna scoop
The sauce on top. Ooh,
the chicken.
Look at that.
a little bit more. Okay.
Yes.
Oh yes.
I think that's perfect.
Alrighty. Whoop.
All right.
There we go.
With the rice, and then
I'm gonna add some cilantro and cream on top.
cream. And
some chopped cilantro on top.
cilantro.
Perfect. Looks so good.
Let's eat.
Dig in.
It is so good. It's delicious.
Yes.
You should definitely make this.
All right, you guys. Well, thank you both for visiting the channel today. If you enjoyed that video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Obviously, I haven't been around for the last couple months, but I'm coming back. And we're going to have some more adventures coming very soon. So, you guys, I will see you on the next adventure. Bye!
Bye.